Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Zach, and I'm here to teach you how to use your brand new starter kit from Shoe MGK. The starter comes with an 8-ounce bottle of cleaner and conditioner, as well as a brush. I'm gonna teach you how to use these products to clean your shoes up nice, so let's get right into it. So let's get started with the cleaner and conditioner. Our cleaner is specially formulated to work on all types of materials. It works on suede, canvas, leather, cloth, mesh, you name it, and we can clean it. Let's get right into it. Step 1. Begin by brushing any excess dirt off the shoe with the bristle brush. Next, you want to wet the brush in our clean water and add a few drops of cleaner and conditioner. Step 3. Begin scrubbing with the lower part of the shoe and work your way up as you go. Step 4. Continue this process over the entire shoe, including the laces. Scrub the entire area thoroughly and evenly. If your laces are extra dirty, just throw them into a small bowl of water and solution to lift out the stains. Step 5. Wipe away the excess solution and dry with a clean cloth or microfiber towel. Well, thank you so much for watching. I'm glad you guys now know how to keep your shoes clean with Shoe MGK. Please follow us on social media, leave us a review on Amazon to let us know how we're doing. And as always, respect your shoes.